Welcome 5th grade social studies scholars to our Passport to Social Studies video. My name is Mr. Giordano and I'll be your teacher for today. Today, we'll be looking at Unit 2, European Exploration, and our Day 3 lesson. Our Day 3 lesson is Here Come the Vikings. Our focus question for today is what motivated European explorers to explore the Western Hemisphere? What role did geography play in that exploration? Our learning objective or our goal for this lesson is to gather, organize, and record key information about the Vikings. So what is our goal for this video? Well, today we will be working on an independent assignment for this lesson. In the assignment, you have the option to design and draw a Viking ship or create an infographic which will have both images and words that will tell the audience about the Vikings. We will be reviewing what an infographic is and some tools you can use to create one. So let's get started. What is an infographic? An infographic is a visual representation of information or knowledge. Infographic is short for information graphic. Information means facts, data, or even a story. Graphic means an illustration or picture. An infographic shows us information or knowledge using pictures, words, and numbers. Pictures are helpful when we are trying to understand something, and our brains often remember pictures more easily than words. Infographics consist of images, charts, and minimal text that give an easy-to-understand overview of a topic. Infographics use different colors, outlines, shapes, and font styles and sizes to communicate information quickly and clearly to help people remember it. Infographics are used to do different things. Some of the things that infographics are used for include comparing different facts or sets of data, explaining how something works, showing how things are connected, and even listing facts and numbers. So how do I make an infographic? First, you need to identify the goal for creating your infographic. For today's assignment, your goal will be to tell about the Vikings and their ships. Next, you will collect the information for your infographic. You will want to use minimal text to make sure it is easy to understand for a viewer. In this case, your information will come from two different sources that you'll be looking at in your Passport to Social Studies slides. The next step would be to create or find the images, charts, or other visuals for your infographic. For today's assignment, this might include a drawing of a Viking ship or an image you can find online. The fourth step would be to create an engaging layout for your infographic. You can use different templates, you can use different boxes and different styles to make your infographic layout. And last but not least, step 5, you want to add a style to your infographic to make it stand out. This might include different font sizes, different colors for different sections of your infographic. On the right, here's an example of an infographic. This infographic talks about climate change and taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. On the infographic, you can see different examples and different facts of why climate change is an important issue, ranging from climate change issues before our COVID situation, as well as after the COVID pandemic and the implications it has for the future. In the infographic, there's different images, there's different font styles, and there's different facts shown to give information in an easy and engaging way to a viewer. Here are the slides you'll be looking at today in your assignment. As you read these slides, you'll want to take notes on information that you can use in your infographic to tell us about the Vikings and their ships. Here's one example of a source you'll be looking at today. And here is the second source you'll be looking at today. And again, here is your assignment. Let's read this together. It says, now create your drawing or infographic. Your drawings should be detailed and include specific evidence from the sagas in the design of your ship. Historians have used these sagas, which are hundreds of years old, and the discovery of artifacts to recreate Viking ships, longhouses, and tools. All this information helps us understand how the Vikings lived 1,000 years ago. As you sit down to create your drawing or your infographic, here are some tools you may want to use to help you if you decide to create the infographic. You can use your Google Slides found inside of your Google Drive to create an infographic, as well as Google Drawing. These are both tools included in your Google Drive account. You can also use two other tools that are found on the internet. One is called Adobe Spark, and the other is called Canva. I'm going to click on these now to show you an example of some infographic templates that you can use. On the Adobe Spark website, there are all different templates that you can use and redesign to fit your needs. You can insert different images, different pictures. You can change the font, you can change the text as well on these infographics. And this is a free website. Another tool that you can use is Canva, which is very similar to Adobe Spark. Again, there includes free templates for you to use to create your infographic, and you'll be able to edit this, select your template, and redesign it to fit your needs. Okay, everyone, now your mission is to complete your independent activity for today. Remember to use this video as support if you decide to create an infographic. Great work today, social studies scholars. See you next time, and happy learning.